Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of How to Nod. This time we're going to be showing you how to create a rule in our document automation platform. So we're going to start in the asset that we created last week for the video on how to create an asset. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you this create a new rule button here on the right hand side. So this is where we name our rule, and it's also where we connect this piece of content to form fields that exist in our template. I think that's the first thing that we need to understand about how rules work in Nod, is that all content is created and connected to form fields that exist in our template. So to show you where we're going to start, let's go to a template. You can see all the form fields here on the left hand side, which are all helpfully connected to Xplan. And what we're going to do is we're going to automate a cover page by connecting it to our client first name field and our partner first name field, so that it only appears when both of those fields have a value. So when there's two clients being advised. So to create a new rule, we go to the create a new rule button, we name our rule, and then we've got an option to select a field in the box below. And we're going to connect it to the client first name field first. So we're going to say client first name is not empty, so it has any value. So a client first name has been entered. So client first name is not empty. And then we're going to add the partner first name field below that. So click the green plus button, add another layer to the rule, another level of specificity. We select partner first name as the field that we want to connect it to, and again we say is not empty, so it has any value. Once we've submitted that, the rule has been applied to the asset. You'll see it pop up on the right hand side there. We need to make sure that we click our apply changes button to save those. And then let's just make sure that our cover page is in the template that we want. So we're going to go across to the statement of advice template. We're going to drag in that cover page asset that we created. Just by dragging in from the right hand side there, it'll land where the blue line shows you it will. There it is, so it's got that nice Nod logo. It's been automated with the rule that we've created so that it's only going to appear when we enter both a client first name and a partner first name. Let's go test that out by creating a document. So we're going to name our document. We're going to select the appropriate template, which is a statement of advice template. We're not going to connect it to an Xplan client today, just because we're only going to enter two data points, being client first name and partner first name. So the document gets drafted with all the default content. You can see the cover page that we created isn't here yet, and that's just because we haven't triggered the rule. So to trigger the rule, we know we need to enter client first name and partner first name. So I'm just going to enter mine and my wife's name. I click generate in the gray space over here, and you can see that the cover page that we've created and given a rule to now appears. So that's how rules work in Nod. It does not require technical expertise. It does not require a software engineering degree. It can be done efficiently by anyone in the organization, and that's how you create a rule in Nod. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.